Beaters designed for fast and easy mixing. Twisted wire beaters are designed to mix faster and clog less so you can tackle any baking recipe. Snap-on storage case and 6 attachments included. The hand mixer with storage case includes everything you need: twisted wire beaters, a milkshake blending rod, 2 dough hooks, and a whisk. All the accessories store neatly in the snap-on storage case. 6 speeds with quickness button. This versatile electric hand mixer has 6 different speed options, plus a quick burst button for those times when you need an extra burst of power. Pulse function. Pulse on the lowest speed for added control and less mess. 290 watts peak power. This Hamilton Beach hand mixer easily handles every mixing job, whether you're combining ingredients for your favorite dip, making a batch of homemade cookies, preparing fresh bread dough, or whipping cream to top a delicious pie. Convenient eject trigger. Attachments easily and quickly eject from the mixer. Material type: plastic. The Hamilton Beach Performance Hand Mixer features twisted wire beaters designed for fast and easy mixing, and less clogging. The mixer has 6 speeds to make easy work of all your recipes, a quick burst button, and a pulse function. The mixer comes with everything you need to start mixing. You get 6 attachments and a snap-on storage case. The attachments include 2 twisted wire beaters, a milkshake blending rod, dough hooks, and a whisk. A convenient eject trigger makes it easy to remove attachments for cleaning. The pulse function works on the slowest speed for added control and less mess. And the quick burst button gives you an extra burst of power when you need it. The mixer has 290 watts of peak power to easily handle every mixing job, whether you're combining ingredients for your favorite dip, making a batch of homemade cookies, preparing fresh bread dough, or whipping cream to top a delicious pie. Top reviews from the United States. Yes, I had this 30-year-old Oster stand-up mixer, and the motor finally fried on me. I didn't want to spend the money for another stand-up, and there have been many situations when I really wished I had a hand mixer. I purchased this after reading many reviews and looking at features and prices of different products. I am very happy with this purchase. The attachments were quite a bit smaller than what I am used to, and I worried about them holding up, but they have done fantastic. I bake cookies at least twice a week, and this mixer has made that painless. No more pulling out the stand mixer. I also bake bread on a daily basis for my family of 6, and this has handled all the bread dough I've tried, even very heavy wheat bread dough. It cleans easily and is easy to handle. I love the storage container for the attachments. It totally rocks my world not digging through a drawer to find them. The only con, which is not enough to lower my stars, is that the lowest speed is pretty fast. I have found that when I am mixing flour in, to keep the attachments low in the bowl and use on the pulse to avoid spraying flour all over my kitchen. This is a pretty minor setback for me, since as soon as the flour is reasonably mixed, I can up the speed with no problem. Very happy I added this to my kitchen appliances. Like I pointed out above, I use it on a daily basis,